At a press conference held on the 22nd of September 2022, members of the Central Puja Committee Meghalaya had announced this year's dates for the Durga Puja celebrations in the state. Addressing reporters today, the General Secretary of the Central Puja Committee Meghalaya, J.L. Das, informed that the Durga Puja celebrations have been scheduled from the 1st to the 5th of October 2022, where as many as 257 Puja Mandap committees have been constituted across the state, of which 65 are from Shillong. The immersion of the deities will take place on 5th October at 15 immersion ghats across Meghalaya, added Das.
Except 2020 and 21, this year more than 257 Durga Puja, community Durga Puja will be celebrated in the state of Meghalaya. So we have prepared a press handout about our program and activities of CPC. That actual puja will start from 2nd of October and immersion will be on 5th. Before the puja on 20th of September 2022, we will be holding our annual all faith, all religion get together harmony at Constituted Puja Pandal, Constituted Shillong. Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Konrad Sangma will grace the occasion as chief guest, and all the leaders of the various religious group faith will attend the function as a special guest. Especially, the SAF, Shillong All Faith Forum, that president will also attend along with other member. And immediately after that, we'll hold we'll celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, coupled with that 50 years of statehood by the government of by state of Meghalaya. So on 30th at Rajasthani Durga Puja Pandal, Lukia Road, at 4 p.m. There also our Honorable Chief Minister has kindly consented to grace the occasion as a chief guest. And other dignitaries will attend as a special guest. So it is a coincidence that Rajasthani Durga Puja Committee Lukia Road is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee year, that is 60 years of existence, performing the Durga Puja. So the inauguration of the Diamond Jubilee also take on 30th September at Rajasthan Durga Puja Pandal, and in collaboration with CPC, they will also arrange the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is 75th year of India's independence, and 50 years of our statehood.
Please avoid taking out your cars because parking is a big challenge during even now normal times, so puja times. So we should not become a source of problem for other friends who are not celebrating the pujas. We should think of all, and that is the reason we are saying go for pooling or avoid taking out your individual cars. Travel in those buses. Sufficient number of buses will be provided to take people from one point to another, and it may continue up to 11:30 at night. Number two is the environment issue. We are all seized with environmental issues, and we have seen that so many PILs and in the court, and I think as individuals also, even if it is not a judicial intervention, we should all be concerned. And I being also individually being involved in this, we are saying that like before, this year I think we will be able to achieve 100% where artificial dyes will not be used, maximum of earth and hay, and before the immersion there will be cleaning of the place in immersion place, and subsequent within 24 or 36 hours all the idols and whatever else is there will be removed. Now from last few years we have made provision that whatever puja materials are not dumped into the river. All of you might have seen we make separate arrangements where all these are dumped into a basket which is kept there so that these materials are not dumped into the river.